Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to continue with the JetElement set bundle of widgets from Crocoblock. For the first part, check in the description below, and now we're going to continue with the rest of the widgets. And we left it somewhere here, so we're going to continue with the audio player. Let's see what that does. I have no idea. This is the first time for me also. So if I put it here, so here it is the audio, what is it, edit audio player. So I guess if you have a podcast or some audio files, you can add is it the audio source. Here you can add the audio source if it's self-hosted, which means if you have uploaded if you have uploaded the file directly, the audio file, to your WordPress, or if it is an external link, you click there the URL, and I guess you just put the URL, like, I don't know, audio SoundCloud. Let's try that. So let's take this copy link. I'm just gonna copy the link here. I'm going to put it here, and yeah, you see here it is. So yeah, you can write a blog post if you have a podcast, as I said, and then you can put directly the link to it right under there. Nice. And please note that on this website that I'm showing you now, I'm using the free Elementor, not the Pro. So Crocoblock works great even with the free. You don't need to purchase the Pro Elementor. Of course, it will make your life easier if you purchase the Pro Elementor, but if you, for whatever reason, you can still use Crocoblock Elements. Now the next one is banner. We have a banner. The banner. Okay, so we have something here. We put an image. Let's find an image. Let's take this live streaming. Yes. So it has a hover effect. Image size full. Here you can set the size, which I guess full. Why not? Title. You can select the HTML tag if it's H1, H2, and so on. And description. This is some text, and you can make a link here if you want. I'm just gonna put that so you can make it a link. And here on the settings, you have an animation effect, Lily, Sadie, or Sadie, and okay, you get different layouts like on hover. Yeah, we have seen that on the carousel, I think. So yeah, here you have some styling settings. Overlay and the hover, additional element color. Let's see if I take that, what happens here. It becomes a bit reddish red. The overlay additional, let's make it yellow. I guess that would be, yeah, so it is the border, the frame that it appears on hover. You can select the color there, stuff like that. Order, title order, and description order. That is very nice in case for whatever reason you want to change the order of the texting. So now the description is above and the title is below here. Okay, stuff like that. Okay, let's go on to the next. Let's do a few on this part too. And then we have a bar chart. Okay. Oh, cool. Google, Facebook, Twitter. What is it? Bar type, vertical bar, labels, March, April, May. Okay, here you can put your labels. So if this, instead of March, we put January or whatever you want to make. Scale, axis range 15. Oh, so it's like, of course, how high or how many values you want on the vertical axis value, 1000 separator, no, yes. Step size 1, user defined fixed step size for the scale. Okay, if I put 5, okay, it becomes 0, 5, 10, 15 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And here you can put your content, the label, which is Google is the red one, and you can put the data. 248, 2 is for January, 4 is for April, and 8 is for May. So okay, you can make your own chart if you want to show some visual chart table or whatever. Yeah, you get the idea. Settings, grid lines, yes or no. Yeah. Now I don't have a background here, so but if I put a background, maybe it will help us. Yeah, so you see there is some grid lines here. If I put no, then there are no lines, and so on. Tooltips is like when I'm hovering, okay, nothing appears, but if I have the tooltips on, yes, then things appear. So you get the idea here. And of course, some more styling settings here. Border width, labels, font family, yeah, you can fix it however you want. Nice, cool. Let's go on to the next. What is it? Logo showcase. Let's see. Do we have any logos? So, okay, I guess it's kind of like a carousel of some sort, or maybe not. No, it is not a carousel. It creates columns. Oh, you can select how many. You've seen on websites when they have like logos of our partners or, our customers, stuff like that. I guess that's what it is. Yeah. And so here, okay, it's very okay. This is where I will go to the stylist and the company logo, and I'm gonna have to find a color for that. Is that color? No, that's the background. The background, yeah. Company name, company logo, company logo, border type, company item. How do I make it smaller? I guess here, well, the best thing would be to have it on right size. Center. Okay, that's there it is. Things that, yeah, it is a portrait picture, but I have like a landscape, so yeah, it gets a bit cropped. So make sure that the picture is adjusted, to fit nicely. And you can put some padding if you want, but yeah, or border here. We have some borders if we want around, yeah, the logo, stuff like that. Company description. Okay. Company name, some setting styling for the texting, the text, the fonts, so on. Okay, let's go on to the next. Where are we? Logo, yes. A button. There is a button. Okay. Hover effect. Fade. We have a hover effect. Down slide. You see how it's working? Use icon, yes. Icon position, yes. Content. Hover, button icon, button level text. On normal it says click me, and on hover it becomes go. So you can have different words if you want. Okay, yeah, simple, just a button. What's next? Button, circle, progress. Nice, so progress values type, it's a percent or an absolute, which I guess it's 50, 100. It wouldn't that mean that the percent symbol should go? Yeah, okay, value number, we can just take it away. Current value 50, max value 100. Okay, well, let's do percent, and you can just put whatever you want. Content, let me put back the percent. Show 1,000 separator in value if you want. Counter title, if you want a title. Counter subtitle. Nice, very inspired text. Oh, what kind of font do I have there? Inside of circle, outside of circle, and the percentage, well, there's no point in having it, okay, inside. And content style, let me just go and change what is it? Font typography. Let's make it like, yeah. Progress circle style here. I guess you can, the field, no, we don't want, no. But you have the option, okay, for whatever reason if you want to. Progress line headings flat, round, and it's the line in the middle, like inside the circle, the feeling it has, it gets a bit rounded. You get the idea. Prefix, there's no suffix, font size, yeah, okay, here you can change those things. Styling options. Let's go on to the next. Let's do two more for this part, and we will continue later on. Countdown timer. Ooh, that's nice. So pretty straightforward. You put the days, hours, minutes, and then on the settings here you can set the due date. Evergreen timer. In 23 hours, I guess. What does it restart? Is that what it is? Or endless timer, start timer, it starts now, or restart after 12 hours. Okay, so the evergreen, what does that mean? I wonder. 23 hours, does it mean that whenever you open, you go to those websites that they have an offer today only, and it has like only available for 24 hours, but if you go after 3 weeks it's the same offer and the same countdown? Is that it? Maybe. If you know, let me know in the comments. But anyway, most usually is due date, like if something, an upcoming event or something is under construction, yeah. And styling options, the items, if they want it to be in the center or on the end or on the start. Items, background type, I guess you put some color here. Let's put some nice yellow. Not nice, but I'm doing that just to show you what kind of options you have, okay? And all the paddings and margins and width and border radius. Let's put some border radius. Yeah, they become round. Item padding, I think, will that be? Yeah, so I gave them some paddings there. The label padding, I want some padding on the labels. Digits, those are the digits. Okay, yeah, we can fix them. Alignment, let's put it in the center. Okay. And you can fix them however you want. And count next to download button. So download ID, here you can specify ID of media library element which will be downloaded on button. Click OK. I guess if you have something, let's see, Elementor download button widget, and allow your visitors to download materials you provide. Yeah, okay, yeah, if you have like a PDF that you want to share or something like that, some document, brochure, it says here, price list, basic, download now, okay, yeah, you can add it like this. Nice. Okay, I guess this is the end of part 2, or for this part of Crocoblock tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have some questions, and I will continue going through all the widgets, all the modules, call them how you want, from the Crocoblock suite or bundle, everything, all of them, one by one, and show you what they do and what you can do and how to use them. If you have a question, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer you. So make sure to like and subscribe to not miss any upcoming tutorials about Crocoblock. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.